Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to start the lesson 15, the globe. Here you can see the picture of globe. The earth is the home of all living things, plants and animals. It is made up of oceans, mountains, plateaus, valleys, rivers, plains and hills. In the beginning, people believed that the earth was flat. They thought that if they traveled too far to the edges, they would fall off this flat surface. They were of the opinion that the earth was surrounded by sea. Some 450 years ago, a Polish astronomer Nicholas Copernicus, I think you have must heard the name of Nicholas Copernicus. Here you can see the picture of Nicholas Copernicus. He was an astronomer. Nicholas Copernicus stated that the earth is not flat but it is round. But nobody believed him and his statement. Some years later, Galileo Galilei, in this picture you can see, an astronomer from Italy, stated that the earth is round and it revolves around the sun. He too was rejected by the people. Ferdinand Magellan, sailing around the earth in 1522, proved strongly that the earth was of round shape. It was proved finally by the astronomers and photographs taken from the satellite that the earth is round. So understand, children, in the starting they thought that the earth was flat and they might fall. But after some years, they came to know that with the help of satellite that it is round, the earth is round. To study about the earth is very difficult because that surface of the earth is very vast and we cannot go to every part of the earth. To solve this problem, man has made a model of the earth called globe. Thus, a globe is a man-made model of the earth which gives us idea of the location of the places on the earth. Let us study the globe carefully to know interesting things about our beautiful planet. The earth is made up of water and land. The large masses of water on the earth's surface are called oceans. There are 5 oceans in the world. These are the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Antarctic Ocean. The Indian Ocean is named after our country India. The large land masses surrounded by oceans and seas on all sides are called continents. There are 7 continents in the world. These are Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. Asia is the biggest continent of all. So, children, Australia is the smallest continent. Antarctica is the only continent which is completely frozen and is therefore known as the white continent. It is the oldest and loneliest landmass on the earth. The earth spins like a top on its axis. Focus on this point. The earth spins like a top on its axis. Earth's axis is an imaginary line that passes through its center, join the North Pole and the South Pole. Another imaginary line which divides the earth into 2 halves is called the equator. The half to the north of the equator is called the northern hemisphere, while the half to the south of the equator is called the southern hemisphere. So, you have to understand the globe. If you see the globe, you will observe in that globe so many things when you look at carefully to the globe. Okay, so now the next point comes to the latitudes and longitudes. We will study in the second part longitude and latitude. Thank you very much.